Hello everyone, it's Andrew from Full Force Racing, and I just wanted to take a quick opportunity to talk about the TUbliss system. They've been out for quite a few years now, and a lot of our customers not only have inquired and then switched to them, but they won't stop raving about how good they are. I've had a good chance to have a ride on them, and what you can actually do and the range of pressures it allows you to run is really invaluable. The TUbliss system is based on a smaller inner tube inside a very hard red shell which locks the rim against the bead of the tyre, and that's where you can run lower pressures than normal without the tyre coming off the rim. So having this smaller tube inside the red protection layer, it creates two air pressures within the tyre. The inner tube runs around 100 psi, and then you can run 0, and I think TUbliss recommend up to 10 psi, but I tend to run up a little bit higher myself for average riding. But it allows you to run normal tyre pressures in the actual tyre itself. Now it also eliminates the tube. There are no longer an actual tube in the main part of the tyre, so you don't get your pinch flats. Unfortunately, it is still susceptible to significant sharp edges or rocks or thorns, that sort of stuff. But one thing it does let you do is a simple repair. You can actually see here on the box the standard TUbliss plug kit. You can fix most repairs while you're out in the bush quickly, well really quickly. We've done some in under a minute and you're pumped up and back on the road. But not only that, if you do have a really big gouge in your tyre, you can still ride the bike with the TUbliss system because the tyre stays beaded against the rim. So if you are thinking about trying the TUbliss system, we definitely recommend it. I know it is a fairly significant outlay to start with, but if you're buying ultra heavy duty tubes around the $30 to $35 mark anyway, there's a good chance you're going to get the equivalent of 5 or 6 tube lifespans out of the TUbliss anyway, which is about the same cost.